Gold cannot filter dirty water. It cannot start a fire. It cannot heal a wound. When the power goes out, everything changes instantly. The water stops. The stores close their doors. Essential supplies vanish within hours. Cheap, ignored items suddenly become priceless treasures overnight. Gold still holds value as wealth. But it cannot keep your family alive day after day. Today we finally reveal 12 items that could save your family. Let's start with item 12 right now. The heavy-duty sewing kit. A $200 jacket becomes useless with one torn seam. Imagine walking 6 long hours in freezing rain. Your only backpack strap suddenly snaps in half. Your food spills into the mud. Both hands are full, and nothing can be replaced. Most people never buy extra needles and thread. They assume stores will always restock. But when stores close permanently, repair becomes survival. Your gear keeps you alive. Stock large needles, curved specialty needles, and heavy-duty polyester thread. Unflavored dental floss works as waterproof stitching too. Whoever can repair torn gear becomes truly essential in any crisis. Trade repairs for batteries, food, or supplies that money can no longer buy. Store needles inside small plastic tubes with lids. One tiny needle could keep you warm all winter. Item 11, Merino wool socks. Wet feet ruin even the most expensive boots. Each foot has about 250,000 sweat glands. Trapped moisture builds up fast inside shoes. Cotton socks absorb sweat but dry slowly. Wet cotton causes painful blisters and steals body heat. Merino wool wicks moisture away and insulates even when damp. This matters most for older adults. Cold, wet feet worsen joint pain and hurt your balance. Staying mobile means staying independent. Always rotate 2 pairs of socks. One worn, one drying outside completely. Check your feet every evening for redness or irritation. Change out of damp socks immediately. A clean wool sock can even filter debris from cloudy water. Water still needs proper disinfecting afterward. Extra socks aren't just comfort. They keep you walking, working, and independent. Item 10, bar soap. Many families stockpile hundreds of pounds of food. Yet they forget the one thing needed before eating it. Clean hands matter more than people realize. No running water means infections spread quickly. Diarrhea and contaminated food can weaken a family fast. Bar soap is compact, cheap, and doesn't leak. Regular soap and water remove most germs effectively. Scrub your hands thoroughly for 20 full seconds. Pair soap with a spigot container to control water use. Cut one large bar into several smaller pieces. Keep the rest dry, sealed, and untouched. Soap won't create food or water, but it stops sickness before it ever starts. Item 9, heavy-duty contractor trash bags. Garbage piles up fast once collection stops completely. Flies and animals show up before food supplies even run low. Yet almost nobody stockpiles these bags. They become rain ponchos, ground covers, and window barriers instantly. One roll replaces several pieces of survival gear. A leaking roof ruins blankets, documents, and stored food. Tape a bag over the leak immediately. Cut holes for your head and arms for an emergency poncho. Keep your face completely uncovered while wearing it. Use bags under sleeping pads to block ground moisture. Stuff dry leaves inside for overnight insulation. Cover broken windows tightly to block freezing air from entering your shelter. Choose thick, contractor-grade bags only, never flimsy kitchen ones. Never store drinking water inside them long term. Never let them touch food directly either. These bags protect your shelter, your gear, and your health. A cheap roll can prevent a devastating loss. We've only just begun this countdown. The next 4 items are even more shocking than these 3, especially one small tool that could unlock your entire food supply. Item 8, the manual can opener. A basement full of food means nothing if you can't open it. Electric openers fail without power. Cheap hand crank models break at the worst moment. Many assume they'll just use a knife. That's when a small mistake turns into a serious injury. The blade can slip. The lid can tear into razor-sharp edges. Your hands get hurt exactly when you need them most. A manual can opener needs no electricity at all. It takes up almost no space in your kit. A pocket P38 opener is compact but needs practice. A full-size metal opener suits most hands better. This matters most for older adults or anyone with arthritis. Choose large handles and smooth gears. Practice on different can sizes now. Make sure you can use it cold, wet, or in low light. Keep one in the kitchen, one in your kit, and one as backup. Clean and dry it after every use. Check the gears regularly for rust. A quality opener lasts for years with proper care. Hundreds of cans might be worth a fortune. But access depends on a tool that fits in your palm. Item 7, heavy-duty duct tape. A cracked shovel handle during a storm can ruin everything. You don't need a new shovel. You need 5 more minutes to finish the job. Duct tape becomes your emergency time bridge. It extends broken gear's life for hours, days, even weeks. Heavy-duty tape bonds to tough surfaces. It resists rain, dust, and constant movement. At night, it seals a torn tent. By morning, it holds a boot sole together. By afternoon, it reinforces a cracked handle. It can even seal a small pipe leak. Duct tape protects whatever that broken gear does for you. It keeps you dry, warm, and moving forward. For compact storage, wrap tape around an old plastic card. Never carry the entire bulky roll. A cheap roll on the shelf today could keep your entire survival system working for weeks. Item 6, table salt. For centuries, salt was a strategic commodity, taxed and fought over constantly. Today it's so cheap, most families keep just one small container. And that's a dangerous oversight. Bland, repetitive meals during a crisis make people lose their appetite fast, especially older adults. Salt is a food multiplier. A small amount makes rice, beans, and broth easier to eat daily. Sodium supports nerve function, muscle function, and fluid balance in your body. But only in the right amount. People with high blood pressure or kidney disease should follow their doctor's advice on sodium intake. Salt also supports food preservation methods like curing and fermenting. But it alone doesn't guarantee food safety. Store salt dry, sealed, and divide it into smaller portions. Protect your entire supply from one damaged package. Gold won't make beans easier to eat. A simple bag of salt often proves more valuable than jewelry. Item 5, rechargeable A and AAA batteries with a solar charger. By night 5, your flashlight dies completely. Your last backup batteries are gone. Now the real problem is having no way to generate new power. Disposable batteries offer only limited hours. Rechargeable batteries with solar power create energy day after day. Standardize your battery size across devices. This lets you rotate power among all your survival essentials easily. Reliable light reduces the risk of dangerous falls for older adults at night. A weather radio needs power too. Every sunrise becomes another charging cycle for your gear. Choose quality NiMH batteries and a proper solar charger. Never improvise with wrong battery sizes or aluminum foil. This risks short circuits, heat, and damaged equipment. Owning disposable batteries means owning a few borrowed hours of light. Next, we reveal the item ranked number 1, the thing that beats every tool here. Item 4, the emergency first aid kit. A rusty nail slices your forearm while clearing storm debris. The bleeding isn't heavy, so your first instinct is to deal with it later. But tomorrow, help may never come at all. These are your golden minutes. Your first chance to stop an injury before it turns serious. A first aid kit won't make you a doctor overnight. It helps you handle 3 critical, life-saving tasks calmly. First, control the bleeding. Use clean gauze and steady pressure on the wound. Never remove a large embedded object. Never press directly on top of it either. Second, clean the wound. Use clean water or sterile saline to rinse away dirt and debris. Don't dig into a wound to remove something you can't easily reach. Third, cover and monitor. Use sterile gauze and tape to protect the area completely. Disposable gloves reduce exposure to blood when caring for someone else. If the person who fetches water or cooks meals gets hurt, the whole family suffers. A first aid kit doesn't just protect skin. It keeps your entire family functioning. Keep your kit dry, accessible, and stocked with a printed first aid guide inside. Check supplies and expiration dates often. Everyone in the household should know exactly where it is. Seek real medical care for deep wounds, uncontrolled bleeding, or signs of infection and fever. You don't need a mobile emergency room. You need supplies, knowledge, and a calm mind. Item 3, the disposable lighter. Temperatures outside are dropping close to freezing near your shelter. You have firewood, candles, a camp stove, water, and canned food already ready. But none of it works without that first flame. A disposable lighter is your master key. It unlocks the heat and light you've already prepared. Waterproof matches and ferro rods work too. But a lighter is faster and far more familiar. A quality lighter provides countless reliable ignitions without electricity at all. Anyone with arthritis should practice using theirs beforehand. Fire lets you boil water safely, heat food, and provide light exactly when needed. Its greatest value is psychological. A hot meal and warm light ease anxiety after days of darkness. Spread your lighters out. Keep several in the kitchen and more inside your emergency kit. Store them in a sealed container in a cool, dry place. Keep them away from children completely. Never create an open flame if you suspect a gas or fuel leak nearby. One tiny spark can unlock warmth, a hot meal, and light through the longest nights. Item 2, water purification tablets or a personal water filter. Crystal clear water can still carry hidden, invisible danger. Clear water only means there are no visible contaminants floating inside. Bacteria and parasites remain completely invisible to your naked eyes. People survive weeks without any food but only a few days without safe water. Finding water solves just half of the entire problem. A personal filter removes bacteria, parasites, and sediment. But it usually misses extremely small viruses. Purification tablets kill bacteria and viruses effectively. Their effect on tough parasites depends on contact time. For risky water, use 2 layers of protection. Filter out sediment first, then disinfect chemically or by boiling. Always follow the exact dosage and waiting time listed on the label. Boiling water for 1 full minute kills most disease-causing organisms if you have enough fuel. No method makes water safe if it's contaminated with gasoline, oil, or toxic chemicals. Never let a hollow fiber filter freeze after use. Trapped water expands and tears the filter fibers invisibly. Finding water is only an opportunity. Knowing how to purify it is what truly saves your family. And now, finally, the item ranked number 1, far more valuable than everything we've covered here so far today. Item 1, a durable water storage container with a spigot. This simple item outranks everything else on our entire list. It outranks the water filter, the lighter, and even the first aid kit combined. It determines whether your clean water survives until tomorrow. Sounds simple, but it's absolutely critical to your family's survival, no matter how prepared you already feel. After spending hours standing in line, you finally get clean or filtered water from a nearby stream. But how do you carry that water home safely without spilling or contaminating it? How do you keep it clean when your entire family has to use it every single day? One person needs about 1 gallon, or 3.8 liters, of clean water daily just for drinking, cooking, and basic hygiene needs. A family of 4 needs well over 100 liters of clean water for just 7 days alone, which is far more than most people ever imagine. That's not a few small bottles anymore. That's an entire storage and distribution system for your whole household. A dedicated water container solves 3 critical problems all at once, instantly and effectively. It stores treated water inside a sealed environment, reducing the risk of dangerous recontamination completely. A sturdy handle makes transporting heavy water loads far easier for anyone in the family. Most importantly, the spigot lets you dispense exact amounts for drinking, cooking, or hygiene needs. You avoid constantly opening the lid, reducing waste and keeping your stored water cleaner for much longer. Choose a container built specifically for drinking water, with a tight sealing lid that locks securely. Store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight at all times of day. If you're storing tap water yourself, write down the storage date and replace it periodically per public health guidelines. A water filter helps you produce clean water in the first place. But this container is what keeps that water safe from day one until the crisis finally ends. When taps run completely dry, the real value isn't just the water itself. It's your ability to control every single precious drop you have left. A person who finds water has only found an opportunity. The person who can store, filter, and protect that water is the one who truly holds a safe source of life for their entire family. These 12 items weren't chosen for being expensive or high-tech in any way whatsoever. They were chosen because each one helps you stay in control when life changes without warning. Being prepared isn't about living in constant, paralyzing fear every single day of your entire life. It's about truly reducing the hardships that could come your way and protecting your family when it matters most. You don't need to buy everything at once right now, today, this very moment. Just start with a few essentials and slowly build a supply that fits your own unique situation. The most important thing isn't how much you own or how much money you've spent. It's whether you truly prepared before the crisis actually happens to your family. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to share it with your loved ones right now. Share it especially with the older adults in your family who need this information most of all. Let us know down in the comments section below right now, while you're still watching. Out of these 12 priceless items we covered today, how many have you already prepared for your family? Thank you so much, truly, for watching this entire video all the way until the very end. Wishing you and your entire family complete safety and lasting peace, always and forever, no matter what. We'll see you again very soon in our very next video together, so stay safe.